How to install apps on any iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your App Store. Here we go. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the bottom you're going to find different options. Click on the option of search. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in the app name that you want to download. With that, app will appear. Once app appears, you'll find this option of get. You have to click on it. Now you have to double click on the power button. With that, your Face ID will be enabled or you will need to enter your Apple ID's password. Click on install. After you are done, click on sign in. And just with that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of its download, you can launch this app and use it. By following the same steps, you are able to download any other app. So this way you can easily install apps on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.